Hey, what's going on, gang? It's Jeff here, Stock Swinger, hopping on for a quick few swing trade ideas. These are plays that I'm going to be playing. A couple of them are already in. One of them is going to be a crypto play, DOGECOIN. Doge took a Doge today. We're looking for a nice reversal play on Doge. We'll get into that in a second. A smaller penny stock play, which is good. You guys can pick up a bunch more shares than that. Or not telling what to do. Remember, not financial advice, right, kids? For entertainment purposes only. And then, oh yeah, take what I say with a grain of salt. Don't we have to throw that in as well? Isn't that the YouTube lingo? Anyway, you guys, seriously, and all jokes aside, my first 3 weeks on YouTube, I couldn't have asked it to gone any better. Like I told you guys from the first video I did 3 weeks ago, I always wanted to do this. I have a lot of free time in the evening. I'm a single dude. I have my kid a couple times a week, and this gives me something to do before the pre-market function. I swing trade full-time. I actually am in the sports card business, so I do that and swing trades in the office 5 days a week, and then I come home and sit on the couch like a lazy old bum. So this has been a lot of fun, and seriously, guys, thanks for... I haven't had not one negative thing. There's 50, 60, 80 comments per video. I've got thousands of views. I couldn't imagine it gone any better. And it's seriously a lot of fun. I thank all of you. And it's been super cool to interact with everybody. You know, people coming in from, I had a couple guys come in on every video from Barcelona, other ones from Tokyo. It's just been a blast. So seriously, guys, thank you. I'm not going to beg anybody to subscribe or like, but if you do like the content, you want to see swing plays, and then I do some updates on AMC and GME as well. I'm in those stocks as well, mainly AMC. But yeah, you guys, seriously, a lot of fun. Just like and subscribe if you can, if you like the videos. And that's the only thing I ask from anybody. Okay? So enough with the nonsense, right? So first one is ADXS. This one here, hopefully I think has hit bottom. It's been ran down here. 1 week down 20%, a month down 46%. This is a tinier dollar figure stock here, penny stock. We're sitting at 0.45. This one here, you guys, I'm looking for an ideal entry about this. I'm going to see if it goes down any lower. I don't anticipating it doing so, but I'm looking for targets 1, 2, and 3 here at 50 cents, 55 cents, and then 60 cents plus. I personally am in this right now about 5%. I'm going to watch this for the next 1 or 2 days. Make sure we're at the bottom here and then look for an ideal entry. And remember, you guys, this is just how I play all of my swings. It's been very successful for me for the last basically a decade. And I follow this same set of rules every single time. By no means am I telling you guys what to do. This is what I do. This is how I was taught. This is how me and my 3 other partners do all of these. And I stick also to, I made a very good point in my first video to put the stop loss as super important. When I first got into swing trades, I've always been a gambler. I've always been a blackjack guy, a sports gambling guy, throwing all money in and let's just get it all in. The first 3 years, I learned the hard way in this stock market world, and I took some big losses, but there was no one in this world to blame but myself. So it's very important that I follow all of these rules here. Remember, this is a rough idea, right? Generally, you're going to be 5-10% starting position. Then you're going to add along the way until you're fully in your position, right? Stop loss between 5 to 7%. Sometimes, you guys, in all honesty and transparency, I personally go a little bit higher. That's just me, right? I've had a ton of comments and questions. How do you know if you're 100% in? How much money are you going to allocate, certain percentage of your portfolio? I have a bunch of portfolios, but I have my main swing play I do. But the thing of it is if you're going to hit targets 2 or even targets 1, and it's a feel, and if you're only 40, 60, 80%, sometimes you're only in 20, 30%, profit's profit. Anything that shows up green is profit. And again, it was hard for me to learn all that, you guys, but this is really my fundamentals and my rules that I have stuck by. And believe me, I'm a thick-headed, hard-headed dude, and it was hard for me not to take some gambles, but I'm a changed man after all these years, right? So you guys, again, ADXS, looking for a nice swing recovery play here. I think we have hit bottom here, but look for anything under 45 is what I'm doing. 50, 55, and 60, okay? So on to our Doge. This thing, as we know here, tanked down today. What I'm going to be looking for here, I'm already in this here. I played it once today. I'm popping back in right about now. Anything about this, and then we're looking for a recovery of, I don't know if it's going to run as far as target 3 in the next 1-2 days or so, but I'm looking for 39.40. Remember, these are tinier dollar amounts. It doesn't take much to run up. So a lot of people go, oh God, they're really going to swing alert 6 cents. Well, yeah, in these smaller target ones, of course you are. The hype with Doge, I have played this thing since the beginning of time. I've made a ton of money off of this. A lot of you guys have. It doesn't take much, right? So ideal entry, if you're watching this video now, remember this is only good for about now. Obviously you guys know that, but I'm looking for roughly about 0.40, 41, somewhere in there to take some. If it does run up again, we know Doge, it could run like a son of a gun, right? So nice little reversal play here. 420 was supposed to be the day everybody was all hyped up, blah, blah, blah. Who knows? You don't know what's what. You could never predict the market, right? Otherwise, we wouldn't be sitting here. None of us. You guys wouldn't be watching these videos. I wouldn't be sitting here and doing these videos. We'd all be loaded on an island, right? So it's the stock market. Okay, so that's Doge's. Nice little reversal play there, you guys. I'm looking for about roughly 0.40, these type of targets. If we do get a run on it, look for 44 plus. Okay, so that's going to be a nice little profits to take there. Remember, nothing wrong with taking any profits along the way. So we're right here at the ideal entry about right now, you guys. This is live look. So yeah, go Doge. Doge, Doge, Doge. Last one. This one here. SNDX. This is a higher risk one. This thing has really lost a lot. I think this one has found bottom too. We're down 40% the past month. Past week down about 32. That's where it took that initial big news dive right there. And then one day here. This one here, you guys, I'm going to watch this. Honestly, I'm not in this yet. This is one to keep on your radar if you do plan on playing a play like this. Super high risk, okay? But the rewards on it could be good. So looking at about 1360 ideal entry. And here's your targets here. If this thing does run on us here, look for 15 plus strong. I don't know on this one. Again, high risk, but I'm looking for an entry here at about 1360. I'll be in probably about 5 to 10% right off the bat. And then looking for targets 1, 2. If we do run 15 plus. Okay. So that's it, guys. Just wanted to do a quick swing update. So let's go DOGECOIN, Doge, ADXS, SNDX. Okay, guys, remember up here, very important. Starter positions and all that. If you guys are new to swing trading, follow those rules and you'll be successful. Okay, guys, again, not financial advice. These are just my swing ideas. I like sharing them. We've done pretty well. We've stopped out on a few of them. We've also hit targets 1, 2, and 3 in some of the videos that I put out there. So those ones are a little bit older. You don't need to check out the other ones. I still do have some swing plays in play on a couple of the videos that I'm still in personally myself. I'm trying to decide, you guys, how to do an update video maybe at the end of the week. My weekends generally, for the most part, during the days are kind of packed up with family stuff and my daughter. But hopefully I'll try to figure that out. If not, most of you guys know what you're doing anyway, just getting the ideas. And obviously do your own due diligence on all these. These are plays that we've come up with during the day, and I'm just sharing them at night. So you guys, again, thank you for every single thing, all the comments, everything. If anyone ever has any questions, seriously, I'll put my email in the thread as well. And just leave a comment in there. And I'm generally pretty good. I'm always by my phone, always by a computer, and I can answer right away. So that's it, you guys. Love you all. Thank you very much. This has been super duper fun, and see you next time. Bye-bye.